This,
Ma'am, can we do Terrell Bell, please? He just
Yes,
got
sir.
finished interviewing before I put him back. Here he is right here.
let's get Mr. Bell. Mr. Bell is on page 3. Mr. Bell,
Yes, ma'am.
is your full name Terrell Anthony Bell, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Council Medina. And Mr. Bell, have you been interviewed by an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir, I'm Magistrate Chuck there. Your case number is 230-5571401, sir. You do have an attorney. Go ahead, counsel.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I think we're a little bit out of order. The name again, is this Mr. Bell?
Terrell Bell, he's number 3 on page 3.
All right, Your Honor, sorry. Give me 1 second to locate that. Okay, Your Honor, I apologize for that. I am ready now. I apologize.
Well, go ahead, counsel, name for the record.
Crystal Marie Medina on behalf of Mr. Bell. With regards to the arraignment, we would waive formal reading and stand mute, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. I'm going to enter plea of not guilty. Court dates are March 7th, 2023, probable cause conference, Bye-bye preliminary examination, March 14, 2023. Both matters are in front of Judge King. Mr. Bell, there are some bond conditions while this case is pending. 1, you're not to have any contact with who is the complainant in this matter. Excuse me. That means no person-to-person contact, no contact with third parties, no phone calls, no emails, no text messaging. Also, sir, you're not to possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons like knives, scissors, pepper sprays, tasers. You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am. I work at a Prime and Proper where
Okay,
I
you don't
can
need to
use.
say anything else, as long as
Okay.
you understand those. Also, sir, it appears from the investigator's report, you and the complainant reside at the same location. You are not to go back to that location, 8 City, Detroit. You understand that,
Yes,
sir?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay, counsel in this particular matter. Also, Mr. Bell, no assaultive behavior on your part while this case is pending. You understand that?
I didn't hear you say it again, ma'am.
No assaultive
No
behavior.
assaultive behavior or combative behavior on your part while this case is pending. You
Oh,
understand
no,
that?
no. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as long as you understand, counsel in this particular matter, I have 2 prior domestic violence convictions, 2018, 2021. I have prior felony convictions of assaulting, resisting, obstructing a police officer. I do not have a capious history. Go ahead, Esteban, counsel.
Your Honor, we did have the opportunity to speak with Mr. Bell. He indicates that he will reside with his grandmother in Detroit, Michigan. He understands that he is not to have any contact with the complainant in this case. My understanding is that Mr. Bell is a lifelong resident of Michigan. He has 2 children, ages 15 and 14, Your Honor. He is 32 years old. As indicated by him just recently, he is employed, Your Honor, at steakhouse. He has actually been employed as a steward and cook since approximately July of 2020 or 2022, Your Honor. I can't really make that out, but he has been employed there for quite some time. My understanding, Your Honor, is that he is unable to post a monetary bond, and so essentially any monetary bonds would be unaffordable for Mr. Bell. Again, Your Honor, we would stress the fact that he does have gainful employment. He has had gainful employment for some time. And although he does have gainful employment, he does have 2 children. He provides for his household, and I'm understanding he's unable to post a monetary bond.
Thank you, counsel. I heard all your representations, counsel. DDC,
Yes.
can you mark Mr. Bell's file medical?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel, in this particular matter, based on all your representations, reading of the investigator's report, which are allegations and the nature of the charges. 1, counsel, I believe your client is a danger to the community. 1, reading from the police responded to some sort of domestic violence situation when they got to the location. They heard allegedly your client that was yelling. They also heard the complainant asking, or they overheard a female voice asking for help. They broke into the residence. Not only that, after your client had been detained and taken into custody by the police, his actions with the police officers indicate that not only is he a danger, appears to be that he is a danger to the complainant, also to the community. At one point, I'm reading, is that he began striking his head against the cage inside a police vehicle. When he went to the hospital, allegedly he was physically attacking staff, and allegedly that incident is on video. And then he was given several times instructions to comply with the police. He jumped out of the motor vehicle before the officers could close the door on the scout car. Not only that, counsel, so I believe your client is a danger, not only to the complainant, okay, but to the community at large. So in this particular matter, his bond is going to be $50,000 cash. It's an unaffordable bond. So
How? How? How $50,000 posted?
Sir,
That's not even fair. That's a bunch of bullshit.
okay,
That's
so
a bunch of bullshit.
Your Honor, Mr.
That's a
Bell,
bunch of bullshit. Fuck me
Mr.
over. Why?
Bell.
I gotta go to work.
Mr. Bell,
Man, I'm not supposed to do anything, man. This shit not helping me.
Mr.
I
Bell,
didn't even do nothing. I didn't even do nothing.
okay, Mr. Bell,
Man, what
understood.
the? Man, y'all gonna let these motherfuckers do whatever to me,
Mr.
man? That's
Bell.
not even fair.
Mr. Bell, you need to come down and we're gonna address this throughout your court dates, okay? You're gonna be
Man,
able to
I
address the
gotta go to work. I
allegations.
got shit to pay. I have a job.
I understand, sir.
How do I supposed to do anything now? I gotta go to the county.
Okay,
Come on, man.
you're gonna step out. You're gonna step
That's what I'm saying. What? That don't even make sense. That's not making sense. That's not making sense to me.
Mr. Bell, you're going to get another court date this Tuesday in front of Judge McConicle, 9 o'clock, sir.
For what?
Bond redetermination.
So that day they will reconsider the bond that was just set, sir. So on Tuesday,
I was saying though, it don't matter. I still gotta go to court on the 7th about this shit on Judge King, right?
understood, sir, but
So
what's
I can't go to work and make my money. I didn't do nothing. The police assaulted me. Did they say that? Is that in the report? I got assaulted by the police.
Sir, I'm gonna,
Beat me up.
I understand, sir. Sir, I understand that you dispute the allegations, and I think it's pretty clear that you don't agree
Man, that's not
with
fair.
what
That's
you're being
not
charged with.
going fair. How do I do anything to that
Your
girl?
Honor, sir, this is not right now.
Argument,
Your Honor,
man.
if we could just, sir, this is not helping you right now. I'm sorry, this is not helping. Okay, you are going to see another judge on Tuesday, and they will be able to redetermine the bond amount, okay?
What I'm saying though, what is that going to help if I still have to go to court for this shit?
Okay, look, you just gotta take one step at a time.
How the f I'm gonna take one step at a time when my keep trying to hold me, man? She just said f me.
Come on.
Okay, look,
Come on out.
it's nothing that you can do about it
Bell,
right
come
now.
Man, I'm just saying.
Bell, come on out.
That's a bunch of bullshit with this and I never said I was suicidal.
Bell, come on, outside. Let's
Mr.
go.
Bell, you're excused.
Man, you f***ing bitch.
Come on out, man.
Okay, come on. Let's step out.
You.
Bell, step out.
Sir, let's go.
Man, f off, man. What y'all gonna do? Beat my ass too?
Sir, I don't think you understand how much work.
I don't give a you too. You ain't do
All right, perfect.
Come on, Bell. Come on, Mr. Bell. Let's go.
man, no, man. Man.
Bell, come on, man.
Y'all know I got all this
Come on.
so y'all about to try to about
Come
this
on
shit,
out.
man.
No,
No,
talk
that's
about
not
it.
what we do. Come on, Mr.
Man, no, man. Dog, that's some
Come on
man.
out.
She didn't give me a chance. 50,000?
Come on out, Bell. Come on, Mr. Bell.
50,000? How I'm gonna get there, bro?
Councilman Dean, I believe that DDC is going to take a few minutes for Mr. Bell to be removed, and then we can continue.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Sure. We're going to take a 5-minute break. Okay. Ma'am, please state your full name, please.
It's something in my eye. I can't talk. I can't talk. It's something in my eye. Something in my eye. I can't talk.
Ms. McCarver. Ms. McCarver.
Calm down, Judy. Calm down.
I'm cold.
Okay.
Ms.
What's your
McCarver.
I've been mistreated since I've been here.
You already did the arraignment?
They made me have a loose
Ma'am,
bar.
we gotta start at the beginning. What's your name? What's your name?
Miss Yolanda, I can't hear you with her.
Do you know what your name is?
Yeah.
So-
Okay, I understand that.
They did the arraignment with the attorney because I don't think the attorney said
Okay,
to really,
Okay. So they already did the arraignment.
where did you get?
Yes.
This?
Yes.
Okay. Let me see, if they still have.
All right, Miss
Wait, no,
All right.
She might have just had another case, but
Okay.
they just gave her a court date or whatever. They didn't really, because they wasn't able to really.
DC, stand by.
Okay.
Did they really, did they interview? Because I don't think they was able to. No information.
Council Medina, was Miss McCarver interviewed?
No, Your Honor, so my understanding is that we do have some general information regarding Ms. McCarver, but no, we are not prepared to waive formal reading or stand here
Okay.
on her behalf.
Stand by.
But she was interviewed, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
What you say?
Wait a minute.
DDC, stand by for a moment.
Okay, we're gonna stand by for a moment.
They didn't look for it. They said they did. She heard carry the knife at first. And she said she was gonna spit on me. And I spit on her. And she took some away. And hit me in the head. Who the whack around me?
Ma'am, I'm gonna try, ma'am, the best thing to do right-
DDC, please mute. Council Medina, what we're trying to do is we're trying to determine whether or not Ms. McCarver was already arraigned or if this is a new case.
Yeah, she had.
You're, okay,
She had an old case, yes.
Your Honor, the information, yeah, the one I have in front of me is from February 23rd.
Yeah, she got arraigned, no, she got arraigned on the 24th, which was yesterday, on the old case.
Okay, not in
In
this
front of
case.
Judge Brian. Yeah, this one went in front of Judge Brian.
Okay, this one's going in front. It says it says Garrett. This new one.
So was it, did it say DV? Is it a DV charge on that?
Yes, assault, battery, and DV.
That's why it says here. It will make sure they put it in. I wouldn't hurt it, but it might. Yeah, they gave it to Garrett.
Okay, so this is to Garrett, and this is a new case.
Yeah, that's a new case. She had
Okay.
an old case yesterday.
All right. All right, DDC, council, have you heard?
But that's sure.
Have we heard,
Yeah,
that she has a new case?
Yeah, this is a new case. Okay, and I'm gonna go at,
Because they hurt me.
was this, did she get a personal bond in the other case?
Oh, no.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, DDC, if you can unmute.
You think you would have outdone Jennifer? If you could have outdone me.
Can we give her a same redetermination bond? It's for Monday. Judge McConicle,
Oh, yeah, yeah. Monday, which is what, the 27th?
7. Yes,
Okay. Let's put it in there.
okay. Council Medina,
yes, Your Honor.
she's got another pending matter with a cash bond, and she's gonna get a bond redetermination Monday in front of Judge McConicle. So we can go through this process. We'll put everything on the record.
Okay, and what would the bond be? And we're gonna set a different, you're gonna set a bond on this case?
Yes,
So it would be for February 27th, like the other one.
yes,
The redetermination hearing would be
yes.
different from the other ones. Okay, perfect.
No, it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be
No.
the same.
I'm sorry, I mean different than the other ones we've scheduled today, because instead of Tuesday, it's gonna be Monday, the same as her other case, correct?
Right,
Yeah,
right.
perfect.
Okay. We just need to get Miss McCarver. And let's see what DDC says. DDC?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Miss McCarver there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you bring her in front of the camera?
Yes.
And counsel, I'll read the charges.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna try.
I'm saying, don't ask her no questions. She owns, she's not getting it.
He pointed to slave, and then they take you out and get the right age. I know. I'm going to judge
Counsel, everything is being recorded. Are you gonna waive your client's presence?
Yes.
Because what I see about her and her husband, was it true or not? How many bills have you paid? Look it up. Ms. McCarver.
Okay. Counsel, will you waive Miss McCarver's presence?
Your Honor, if we could try, the thing is that the issue is that we haven't gone over the charges with her, so it's important to have.
I'll go over the charges.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I'll just go over the charges. Miss McCarver, I'm Magistrate Chartea. I'm gonna read you some stuff. Okay, you have an attorney standing by. Okay, case number is 230442 4901. Ms. McCarver, you're charged with count 1, assault and battery. Maximum penalty is up to 93 days jail and or $500 fine. Count 2 is domestic violence. Maximum penalty is up to 93 days jail and or $500 fine. I'm gonna enter plea of not guilty. Counsel name for the record.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. McCarver.
Okay, and I understand, counsel, that you did not have an opportunity, or it looks like Ms. McCarver doesn't want to speak. Okay.
Your Honor,
Everything is, go ahead, counsel.
we were able to interview her briefly, Your Honor. So we do have some information as to bond. It was just with regards to the charges. We wanted to make sure that those were clear.
Okay, thank you, counsel. I'm gonna indicate a court date of March 7th, 2023, pretrial in front of Judge Garrett. I will also indicate for the record that some bond conditions for Ms. McCarver: no contact with the complainant. That means no person-to-person contact, no contact with third parties, no phone calls, no emails, no text messaging.
Why I can't talk to nobody?
There is also, Ms. McCarver, you're not to possess any firearms or any other dangerous weapons. Also, Ms. McCarver has left the camera area. Counsel, for the record, she already has a pending case of 21044383001, where the bond is $25,000 cash. $25,000 cash, no surety. She has an unaffordable court date of Monday, February 27th, 2023, 9 o'clock in front of Judge McConico. And in this case, I believe Ms. McCarver, because of reading of the allegations, this is an assault upon a resident, a former resident of the household, is that she is a danger, and the prior case is assault and battery. I'm going to give her a $5,000 cash surety. Again, redetermination court date in front of Judge McConico, Monday, February 27th. Counsel, do you want to add anything else for the record?
No, Your Honor, not at this time.
Thank you, counsel. DDC, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Your Honor, what were those court dates again?
First one is March 7th. It's a pretrial in front of Judge Garrett, and her unaffordable court date is Monday, February 27th in front of Judge McConico, 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Everybody have a good weekend.
Okay, you too.
No, you're official. Oh, have a nice Wednesday.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend to you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.